Hello my beautiful people, it's your guy George Tet Vlogs here. Watu wangu karibuni tena to another cooking vlog. Leo tunapika ugali maini. Guys, leo it's ugali maini, but maini ya kuku, not ya ng'ombe. So it is. Yeah. So guys, hope you'll enjoy the vlog. So guys, continue supporting me by just liking, subscribing, and also sharing the videos. Guys, and with that will be enough support from you. Mtashukuru sana. So guys, enjoy the vlog. Start with washing our maini here. Just making sure, at least I have to make sure zimeng'ara vizuri. Yeah, they're clean. I'll pour the first water. Maji ya pili pia, at least make sure nimezirinse vizuri. Yeah, so guys, you're here with your kaparo George Tet Vlogs. Lazima niwapikie hapa, naoneshe how these things are done. Yeah? On this other side, hiyo ni maji ya ugali. Good. So time hapo nikiipea time ichemke. So I'll be cutting the onions here, nyanya kidogo. Isa nyingine ni changamuke. So guys, here I'll be cutting my onions. Hapa tunasema so about my nyanya. I like them zikiwa hivyo round, Yeah, pole pole tu. Don't have to worry about this thing. So guys, today I'm cooking hiyo maini nimewambia. It's been really long nikule maini ya kuku. I've been taking maini ya mostly maini ya ng'ombe. So today I'm doing ya kuku. I've really missed that taste of it. I'll be using this thing called kamata to hold my sufuria. Najua kuna watu wengi kutumia kitu, but when Chef Tet comes to this kind of section, it's really a pro. This sector niko juu. So guys, niache kuongea mingi sana. So hapa I'll punguza the maji. I'll just punguza the water. Yeah. That amount is enough for ugali for two. Good. I'm going to use my mwiko. Koroga. Ukiangalia naona yonga bado nashika fiti. So just add hapa ni cooking kidogo jo. Making sure hii ugali imeshika. Yeah. Kidogo jo, maso lazima igrow. Hapa ugali yangu kidogo Yeah, so guys, this side ingine I start cooking the maini, so I'll start by adding oil. I think that one is enough. Hii inatosha. Remember pia mafuta mingi is not good for your health. Kiasi tu inatosha. Yes. Kidogo tu hapo. Good. Guys, the progress iko fiti. Hapa chini kungojea. Hii side ingine na chumvi yangu iko ready. So I'll be pouring the tomatoes. Kama kawaida napenda zikiwa golden brown Sasa ndipo nyanya lazima zibondeke kabisa. Ndio nipate hiyo kasupu ka thickness. Guys, just stay on the mix here. The ugali is ready. Sasa ni kuitosa hii. So I'll turn off the gas. My tomatoes zimebondeka venye inafaa. Yeah, I like it zikiwa hivyo, not hizo nyama hivyo. I think for now you can put the maini. So far so good guys, tunaendelea vizuri. Ugali iko ready. Nyanya iko ready. Sasa ni kuweka maini sasa kwa nyanya. Then ipe kidogo hit. Supu hivi kidogo, weko cube kachumvi, tu spices kidogo. Then if we wrap up this thing, kaboom. Good. So at this point I'll just give it time. Even hiyo maji yake kidogo. Then baadaye after a few minutes I'll add kamaji. Then I do the spices. So I'll be using this spice Royco, ginger, and what else? And 1 Royco cube. It is good. So far so good. You can see the progress. Progress si mbaya. Mkiwa zimeiva. You can see. Salt. I'll add a bit of salt. Guys, stima zimeenda. Stima are gone. Stima zimeamua kupotea. Madharau, I don't know. Mambo gani sasa? But all in all, lazima ifudi hivi. Tunaendelea. Sasa kuchapana nayo, So first let's try kwanza. Then Father the Son Spirit. Yes. acha nifanyie sampling, niwatestie at least nisikie venye imetokea. Guys, mko hapa? Ndasema kama tulishinda nini? Chef ni nani? Chef ni Tet. So guys, you can comment down there. Mseme food gani unataka ni prepare for you. Guys, remember una deal hapa na Chef Tet. So it will be good at least on comment. Watching the video, comment. Just drop your views there. Mniambie food gani mnataka next time I try and cook. Good. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for everything guys. Thank you for your support. Nashukuru sana support yenu guys. So guys, so now we are at 87 subscribers guys. We are doing good. Nijuzi tumeanza the channel. So far so good. The channel is grow. So guys, seeing you subscribing, see you commenting on my videos, then I need motivation to keep going, at least to come up with new ideas. Remember I told you this is a vlog. This is a traveling vlog, street vlog, cooking vlog. It's a mixture of everything. So guys, you go up again. Come up just say in the comments. I'll do it for you guys. Lazima niwatembeze. Sio lazima niwachambulie kwa cooking kidogo. So guys, hivyo ndo kuko. So for today nimepika ugali maini. And it is I'm about to kuchapana nayo sasa nimalizane nayo. So guys, always nasema thank you for everything. Thank you for your support. Remember niliwaambia hata my win is your win too. The channel is mine and the channel is yours. And I celebrate pamoja. You guys enjoy the videos and everything guys. So thank you for the subscription. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for liking. Thank you also for sharing guys. Keep sharing. Nambarikiwe zaidi guys. Thank you my people. Mbarikiwe sana.